Make sure you stay until the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Escape, guys, this generation from year 2013 to year 2019. This includes the pre-facelifted and facelifted version. If you have one of those and if you need to see where your fuse boxes are located, fuse box location diagram, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Also, we'll talk where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. And what's important, to always test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say, guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So now, what do we guys have here? We're going to demonstrate here, okay, on that generation Ford Escape. This is the pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. Practically, guys, okay, it's the same generation, just a little bit, okay, refreshed, but it will work for both. You guys have 3 different fuse boxes where they're located. The first one that most people know about, that's the one that's directly under the hood. Go ahead, open your hood. If you see right here, guys, on the right side, on the very right side, if you remove that cover here, you will find out that you have a fuse box with a layout like this one. This is the engine fuse box. Now, before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Next, you have another fuse box. The next fuse box, you will need to come open the passenger door. Once you open the passenger door, if you see right here under the glove box, guys, okay, all the way underneath it, you have one little carpet piece, soft carpet piece that attaches with 2 turning knobs. So remove them, and right underneath it you will find a fuse box that will look okay just like this one. This is the interior fuse box. And next you have one more. The next one is in the trunk. Open the trunk and on the right side you will have that cover right here. Go ahead, open that cover, guys, and you will find out that fuse box right here, and you will have some hidden relays under this cover here as well. Now, if you want to see what each one of the fuses are for, we'll make a video for every single fuse. Let's say you need a fuel pump fuse. You don't need to waste all your time to try to find it. All you have to do, watch the video, 1-2 minutes, you find it, and you're back on the road, guys. All that will be on our channel. Hopefully the video, guys, will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.